Oh dear. Oh dear, guys. She's muddy. But to another video, guys. I think this must be the windiest day ever. So I apologise about the wind noise now. Here we go. I'm out with the FTX Outback Fury. Oh my days, this wind. Yeah, Outback Fury. And we're doing a nice little trail in the windiest weather. Stormiest weather, man. It's going to be. Oh guys, I'll catch you soon. Just watch. Right, here we go. Like I said, sorry about the wind noise. Yeah, we're out with the Fury. I haven't been out with this for ages. The old Hyrax on there. God, there's going to be a lot of wind noise in this video. Oh, can it get through here? I hope so. Oh yeah, maybe. Right. Oh, it did as well. Oh my. Let's squeeze round. There we go. Yeah, these little Furies, absolutely wicked these are. Here we go, look. Oh yes, them Hyrax, man, just eating it. Oh, there she is, hiding in the grass. Little beast. We're going to try this hill, this side. As I said, apologies for the wind noise. I think we might get a bit of a spin here. It gets quite steep. Here we go. Ah, look, what did I just say? Come on, let's go back and try again. I think I'm caught on something, maybe. Yeah, I think I was caught. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I think I was caught on something. So let's crawl up there perfectly now. Look at that. Oh yeah. Easy. The Fury is such a beast, man. For the money. Oh, I don't know. This should do pretty well. La, slippy mud. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I love the Fury, man. We're on the big hills now. With the Fury. Oh yes. Has got a few modifications. This is actually my 10-year-old daughter's. She loves it. I'll give it to her, she wanted it. And she's got a peso. Starting the RC world. Yeah, look at that, come on. Brand new set of Hyrax as well. Some big old treads. Let's get up to the top there, come on. It's not even that windy. That's what I'm on about, look at that. Oh, we've got a beast of a hill. I don't know how it's going to deal with this one. Yeah, I bought this, brand new. Used it twice. And my daughter said, can I have that one? She's got a FTX peso. Yes, I'll give her this one. So this is her rig, modified as well. Oh yeah, see if we should be able to crawl up here. My tyres are nice and muddy now though. Let's go this way. Oh, there you go. Oh, right. Ah, there you go, and we're up. Oh yes, the rain's coming now. We're going to be doing a little, we're going to go around this a couple of times. It's like a little track. Let's get down, I'll show you. Let's get it down the hill and I'll show you. Go down here. Alright, here we go. Without rolling down the hill, it's got a wicked drag brake as well. All the electrics are standard, motor, ESC. I love the Furies. This is the Extreme as well. Look at this. Oh, look at them old Hyrax digging in, and the lights. Oh yes. We're on 2S. We can take 3S. But we don't. I've got a 3S battery on me, but we don't need 3S in a minute. Let's see if we can go up round here. It's got some spacers. Oh, look at that. Look. Brand new Hyrax. Come on. Look at that. Furies are sick. Yeah, look. What beast, man. We'll go up here and we'll come back round and do it again, I reckon. Oh, yes. Look at that. Yeah, man, this thing's a beast. Just want to go around here. Do that little trail again quickly. Let's get down. Oh, boys, oh, yeah. Oh, no, I need to tip up there. Right, ready? Let's zoom you in a sec. Just so I can see what we're doing around the corner. Oh, here we go. Way a bit fast, eh? Way, nearly down the hill. Right, here we go. Yeah, so this is a lot wider than the normal ones. Come on. Ah, there we go. We've got the grip. Look at the mud on the tyres, though. We're not getting much traction. Well, we are getting quite a bit of traction, actually, for it. For the weather and the conditions and the... Yeah, we're rolling with hair buns in the tyres. So good. It works so good. Especially if they get wet, if you get a hole in the tyre. Hair buns don't soak it up. We're sort of hiding down here, away from the wind. We're sort of hid behind, look, the mountains and things. Look at that. Oh, my wind mirror's bent back, never mind. We'll see, we're going to see if we can get up here. Come on, come on. Like I said, this has got a few mods, extra weight, it's got loads of stuff actually. Come on. Oh, it is working-ish. Come on, are you going to grip? Oh, there we go. I reckon a little bit of a run up, I reckon I can do that. Oh, nearly. Let's try that again. Oh, it's because we was in the hole. Oh, I told you. There we go, and we're up. Alright, FTX Outback Fury versus the Hills of Death. If you watch one of my recent videos, yeah. Oh, I'm stuck on the bush. Stuck on the bush. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes, I don't know about... Oh, mate, I don't know about this bit, though. Oh, oi. This is so soft. Digging holes. We've got to try and get up there, which I think I might be able to. If I can just... Oi. Sort of get... Let me get down. I need to see what I'm doing. It's so slick. Oh, come on. Let's try a different approach. Oh, I need tips over then. Right, let's try another approach. One more try. Got a bit of metal there to help us. Oh, there we go. Wrong side though. That didn't work. Oh man, I will go towards, I will go up and over and up that corner. It ain't gonna happen though, I don't think. Oh no, whee! Got the old spacers are doing their jobs. The old wheel spacers. Oh look, that is just getting caked in the old mud. Oh yes, there we go. Bit of luck, see if we can spin round. Oh, it started raining now. Oh, yes. Oh, do you know what? Oh no. Right, let's try one of the other ones. Here we go. That's definitely hard in this weather. We're just not getting no grip. We're not getting no grip up there. Here we go. Probably won't get no grip here either. Oh yeah. Oi. Come on. Come on. Ah, there you go. Come on, Fury. Oh yes, look at that. Mate. Easy. Another one. See if we can get up this bit. It's doing very, very well. Oh, there's a lot of rocks there. Oh, boys, no traction again. All right, here we go. Oh, nearly. Oh, no. Playing in and around a hole. Sounds nice. Here we go. Look at our wind mirror. Like, let's put that straight. There we go. A couple of little climbs here. Oh yes. Oh, slid to one side. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, and he's up. Oh yes, wasn't expecting that. Right, let's try that again. Got a few more little things to try before the rain actually comes down hard. A few other little things to try. Here we go, look. Ah, mate, I love this rig. Come on. Bit of power, I think, for this one. Oh, look. Oh, boy, straight up and over, no problem. Here we go, round the gap. Oh, yes. And up we go. We need to make it up here. Yeah, this is doing so well, considering the ground is so wet, muddy, soft. These high racks are proper digging in. Look, look. Not one bit of wheel spin, straight up there, not a problem. Oh, I'm gonna have to zoom you in as this goes up. I'm not going up there because it's so slippy, that little hill. Look, you'll see it go up. I'm not going up there. So as it goes up, I'm gonna have to zoom you in. These high racks in the mud. I've always thought high racks weren't very good in this type of terrain, but do you know what? I know they're a brand new set, whatever, but do you know what? Look, not a problem, man. I'm not getting any wheel spin or nothing. Here we go, some sloppy mud. Not going to be much now. Oh, the wind. Loads of wind noise. Oh, look at that. Oh dear. Oh dear, guys. She's muddy. Right, that's going to be the end of that one, guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you lovely people in the next video. Take care. Woo!